got off the phone with you, it was like 2:45. And you said that I love you too. So smiling in my sleep, but something told me to wake up. When I woke up, I felt something wrong. So I turned my TV on, and I realized it's gone. It's gone.
Now, the Russian president has been giving his reaction to the...
Stuck in front of this TV screen, trying to put the pieces together. What does this mean? The earth is shaking, my body's shaking, heart aching, I've been awakened. Will someone please tell me it's a freakish dream? Body's missing and I'm finding, history keeps on rewinding. I promise you won't be lonely.
It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone.
Another day, another tragedy. Why the hell does this keep happening? Our planet's dying. I can't stop crying. Mother Nature, hug me please. So many families gone. The streets are all alone. Nowhere to call home. It's all gone.
It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's Can't believe what I'm seeing on TV. This whole thing's a tsunami. Water racing through the land. Mother Nature must be extremely mad. But what I don't understand is how to heal the hearts of Japan. Cause I can feel the pain watching lives being washed away. They say the sun always shines